Many guys are frightened away by computerized appliances. They think that they are worse than fixing computerized cars and a nightmare. Well, they're mistaken. There are two things you have to know. First, we never repair computers. Never. We just replace them. And second, they're easy to replace. It's just a box with a bunch of connections to it that are not interchangeable, so you can't make a mistake, and you just unplug the old one and plug in the new one. However, it is important that you learn to properly diagnose correctly that the computer is faulty. There are numerous tricks to that, which are not too hard to learn, and once you have determined the computer's the problem, you go get one and plug it in and make yourself $200 or $300 profit. And life is good.